I'm sure you've heard the news. Amazon is revolutionizing delivery with drones. This innovation promises to change the way we receive packages, making deliveries faster and more efficient than ever before. The vastness, the mystery, the endless possibilities that lie beyond our reach. The sky has always represented the unknown, a frontier waiting to be explored. First, we dreamed of flying. We watched birds soar through the air and wondered if we could ever achieve such freedom. Our ancestors built wings, gliders, and contraptions, all in the hope of taking flight. Then, we conquered the skies. The Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 marked the beginning of a new era. Since then, aviation has evolved rapidly, from propeller planes to jet engines, making the world more connected than ever before. Now we stand at the edge of a new frontier, drone delivery. This innovation promises to revolutionize the way we think about transportation and logistics. Imagine a world where packages arrive in minutes, not days. A world where the convenience of online shopping is taken to the next level, with goods delivered almost instantaneously. Where the skies are alive with the hum of delivery drones, ferrying goods to our doorsteps. This vision is becoming a reality as companies invest in drone technology to enhance delivery services. This is no longer a scene from science fiction. The advancements in drone technology have made it possible to envision a future where drones are a common sight in our skies. It's a rapidly approaching reality. Companies like Amazon, Google, and UPS are already testing and implementing drone delivery systems, aiming to make them a part of our everyday lives. The way we receive goods is undergoing a revolution. No longer will we have to wait days for a package to arrive. Drones will bring it to us in a matter of minutes. This is not just about convenience. It's about reaching remote areas, delivering essential supplies like medicine, and providing services in ways that were previously unimaginable. It's about efficiency, speed, and transforming the way we live and interact with the world around us. Drones can navigate through traffic, weather conditions, and other obstacles to ensure timely deliveries. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, much like our ancestors did when they first took to the skies. As we embrace this new technology, we continue the legacy of innovation and exploration that has defined human progress. At the forefront of this revolution is Amazon, a company known for its relentless pursuit of innovation. Their answer to the future of delivery? Prime Air. This ambitious program aims to use autonomous drones to deliver packages weighing up to 5 pounds in 30 minutes or less. Imagine ordering a last-minute birthday present or a crucial tool for a home repair project. With Prime Air, that item could arrive before you even finish browsing for other options. This is the promise of drone delivery, instant gratification in a world accustomed to waiting. These aren't your average drones. Amazon's delivery drones are marvels of engineering. Equipped with sophisticated AI, they can navigate complex environments autonomously. They use GPS to chart the most efficient routes and avoid obstacles in real time. Cameras and sensors act as the drone's eyes, allowing it to see and react to obstacles like trees, power lines, and even other drones. This sophisticated technology ensures that your package arrives safely and securely without the need for human intervention. The process is remarkably simple. You place an order on Amazon as you normally would. If your location and the item qualify for Prime Air delivery, you select that option at checkout. The system then assigns your package to an available drone at a nearby fulfillment center. The drone receives its flight plan, picks up your package, and takes to the skies. It navigates to your location, descends to a safe altitude, and gently lowers the package onto your doorstep using a tether system. The drone then returns to the fulfillment center, ready for its next mission. Section 5. A sky full of advantages. The benefits of drone delivery. The benefits of drone delivery are numerous and far-reaching. Speed is perhaps the most obvious advantage. Deliveries that once took days could now take minutes, revolutionizing the concept of instant gratification. Then there's the environmental impact. Drones run on electricity, meaning fewer delivery trucks on the road and a smaller carbon footprint. Drone delivery also promises to reduce traffic congestion, especially in urban areas. They can bypass traffic jams by taking to the skies, ensuring faster and more reliable deliveries. This efficiency translates to lower costs for both Amazon and the consumer. Section 6. Navigating the challenges. Obstacles in the path of drones. However, the path to widespread drone delivery is not without its obstacles. Bad weather conditions like rain, snow, and high winds can pose significant challenges for drones. Then there's the issue of airspace management. With thousands of drones potentially taking to the skies, ensuring they don't collide with each other or other aircraft is paramount. Obstacle avoidance is another significant hurdle. While Amazon's drones are equipped with sophisticated sensors, navigating dense urban environments with trees, power lines, and other obstacles requires constant vigilance and advanced technology. Section 7. Regulatory skies, the FAA and the future of drone delivery. Perhaps the biggest challenge facing drone delivery is regulation. As drones become more prevalent in our skies, the need for clear and comprehensive regulations becomes increasingly critical. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, is tasked with ensuring the safety of our skies. This responsibility extends to the burgeoning field of drone technology, where the stakes are high and the potential for innovation is vast. They're working on developing comprehensive regulations for commercial drone operations, which includes prime air. These regulations are not just about keeping drones from colliding with other aircraft. They also address privacy concerns, noise pollution, and the security of sensitive areas. These regulations cover everything from drone design and operation to pilot certification and airspace management. The FAA is setting standards for how drones should be built, how they should be flown, and who is qualified to operate them. Amazon and other companies are working closely with the FAA to address these concerns and ensure the safe integration of drones into our national airspace. This collaboration is essential for creating a framework that allows for innovation while maintaining safety and security. It's a complex and evolving landscape, but one that is crucial to unlocking the full potential of drone delivery. The future of drone delivery hinges on these regulations, which will pave the way for a new era of convenience and efficiency in how goods are transported. As the FAA continues to refine its regulations, the dream of widespread drone delivery moves closer to reality. This will not only revolutionize the logistics industry but also have far-reaching impacts on e-commerce, emergency services, and even everyday life. Imagine a world where medical supplies can be delivered to remote areas within minutes, or where your online orders arrive at your doorstep in record time. This is the promise of drone delivery, and the FAA's role is pivotal in making this vision a reality. The partnership between regulatory bodies and private companies is key to navigating the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Together, they are charting a course for a future where drones are a common sight in our skies, delivering goods safely and efficiently. The journey is just beginning, but with careful planning and collaboration, the sky is truly the limit for drone delivery. Section 8. Amazon's vision, a sky filled with delivery drones. Amazon's vision for the future is clear: a sky filled with delivery drones, seamlessly delivering packages to customers around the world. They envision a future where drone delivery is as commonplace as ordering a pizza. To achieve this, they are investing heavily in research and development, constantly refining their drone technology, and working to expand their delivery network. They are also actively engaging with regulators and communities to address concerns and ensure the safe and responsible deployment of their technology. Section 9. The race to the skies. Competition in the drone delivery market. Amazon is not alone in this race. Other companies like UPS, FedEx, and Google's Wing are also developing their own drone delivery programs. Each company brings its own strengths and strategies to the table, from established delivery networks to cutting-edge drone technology. This competition is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the field of drone delivery. It's a testament to the transformative potential of this technology and the belief that it will revolutionize the way we receive goods. Section 10. A glimpse into the future. Drone delivery and beyond. The future of delivery is in the air, quite literally. Imagine a world where your online orders arrive at your doorstep within minutes, not days. This is the promise of drone delivery, a revolutionary concept that is set to change the logistics landscape forever. Drone delivery has the potential to transform not just the way we shop, but also the way we live. Picture a child looking up in awe as a drone descends to deliver a package, or a family receiving their groceries without ever leaving their home. This technology brings convenience and efficiency to a whole new level. It promises faster deliveries, reduced traffic congestion, and a smaller carbon footprint. By taking delivery vehicles off the road, drones can significantly cut down on urban traffic and pollution, making our cities cleaner and more sustainable. The environmental benefits are immense, as drones use less energy compared to traditional delivery trucks. While challenges remain, the rapid pace of technological advancement and the commitment of companies like Amazon suggest that a future filled with delivery drones is not a question of if, but when. Engineers are tirelessly working to overcome obstacles such as air traffic management, battery life, and regulatory hurdles. Their dedication is paving the way for a new era in delivery services. And as we look up at the sky, we see not just a vast expanse, but a world of possibilities waiting to be delivered. The sky is no longer the limit. It is the gateway to a future where the convenience of drone delivery becomes an everyday reality. This is just the beginning of a journey that will redefine how we perceive time, distance, and accessibility in our daily lives.